In modern manufacturing, throughput is the definitive metric for success. Introducing the Factor 4 Plus, built on the high-speed DNA of our S series, engineered for continuous, industrial-grade production. Driven by the Cheetah Motion Planner and full compatibility with our new AA Plus and CC Plus high-flow print cores, enabling you to produce PET-CF, tough PLA, ABS, and PPS carbon fiber parts, up to twice as fast as industrial 3D printers without compromising precision. This speed is supported by a new, field-proven gantry system designed to maintain precise quality standards during 24/7 industrial cycles. Every part matters. That is why we are introducing UltiMaker Trace, our technical reporting and certification engine. Trace goes beyond basic monitoring. It continuously logs critical extrusion parameters, chamber temperatures, and dimensional accuracy throughout the entire print job. When the print is finished, Trace automatically generates a comprehensive quality report, validating the physical part against the original CAD data. This provides the full traceability and part-level confidence required for rigorous industrial standards and end-use production. UltiMaker Factor 4 Plus, industrial-grade hardware, optimized for high-speed production in defense and manufacturing.